Hi, welcome. This is Lilly Pond, and we're going to do the alpha sequence right now. So if you'd like to join, go ahead and put your feet flat on the floor. Or if you're lying down, see if you can achieve a straight spine. We don't really want any curves in it. It'll help you drop into deeper levels of relaxation. Good. Go ahead and find a spot on the wall that's above your natural eye gaze. It looks something like this. And I want you to squint. The eagle eye that spot that engages the sympathetic nervous system. And as you do that, take in a nice deep breath. Now as you exhale, look through that spot. With a relaxed gaze, you might notice a sensation, a cascading sensation in your nervous system as you do that. Good. Another nice and deep breath in when you're ready. And this time as you exhale, close your eyes and go even more deeply and comfortably relaxed. So that's the first step of the alpha sequence, closing your eyes. Now step 2, relax your jaw. Just allow it to hang there. It might come open, which is totally natural. And as that happens, it sends a signal, or your vagus nerve is engaged, which sends a signal to every muscle, nerve, and cell in your body that now is the time to relax. Now gradually slow down your breathing, getting to a comfortable, slow rhythm of breathing with a really long exhalation. This invites your body to drop even deeper into relaxation. Nothing to do. Now relax the back of your tongue. Decouple your tongue from the part of your mind preparing to speak. Give your mind the freedom and the liberty to have new thoughts, different thoughts, expansive thoughts. Or maybe no thoughts at all. Silence and stillness. Now bring your attention to your heart, and in a moment, I'm going to ask you to drop your consciousness into your heart. So just imagine taking in a nice deep breath right now. As you exhale, drop your consciousness into your heart. That's right. However you want to imagine doing that. I imagine sliding down on a light beam like a rainbow right into the center of my heart, and it's soft. And it's warm, and it's familiar. And if there are any colors associated with this sensation, this moment, this feeling that you're having right now, just notice it. For me right now, it's purple and sparkly, but it's not always those colors. As we notice these colors, it engages our heart, where subconscious is, so it makes it more real. And we bring more of our consciousness into this moment when we think about colors and shapes and all of these things that our mind can do. And as we get deeper into it, the rest of the world just falls away, which is what we want anyway, for a moment. So now what I want you to imagine as you're breathing with your heart, I want you to imagine floating above your body. And I want you to imagine taking God's perspective, the universe's perspective, divinity's perspective, the creator's perspective. So I want you to imagine floating up high above, higher still, above your home, above your city, floating above your town, state, so high. And the higher you go, the more you notice that the only thing here is love. When you get really close in there and we look at the nitty-gritty, sometimes we can get confused or forget. But from this perspective, everything is beautiful. So I want you to take that and apply it to something in your life right now. Apply this God perspective into something in your life right now from this higher perspective. Nothing but love and grace. Good. And it softens. It softens. Good. I'm going to give you a period of silence, and I just want you to allow your heart and your mind to be set free. You can focus on your breathing. Allow yourself to breathe into those parts of you that might want some extra attention and love right now. Now in a moment, I'm going to count to 3, and I want you to open your eyes and emerge from hypnosis feeling absolutely fantastic. I have DJ here with me now. A very sweet part of me that I love so much. Thank you, DJ. 1, preparing to open your eyes, feeling so good. Knowing that everything that you need is already inside of you, so there's nothing that you actually need. You already have everything. There's absolutely nothing, no thing to do. Allow yourself to be inspired by divinity. Don't do anything unless you're moved first. I love you. Good job. 3, opening your eyes, feeling great. Feeling great. All right, everyone, go have a fantastic day. And remember, we can hold the light. We can notice the light in other people, which will help them have a better day. And that's what we do. We can go out into the world and be who we are in alignment and be of service to people just as they're going about their everyday. And then when they ask us questions and want to talk to us, we get to tell them what we do. We get to tell them that we're hypnotists, that we're coaches, that we're healers, that we're authors, and we're here in service for the greater good. Nice work. Love you. Bye for now.